If your Steamworks upload is extremely slow, follow these steps to speed it up and get your build online faster. First, check your internet connection. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, if possible, as Wi-Fi can cause slow or unstable uploads. Also, pause any other downloads or streaming activities on your network. Next, open SteamCMD and make sure you are logged in with your Steam account. Use the validate build option before uploading. This prevents Steam from rechecking files unnecessarily, which can slow the upload. Choose any unnecessary background apps that may consume bandwidth. If uploads are still slow, split large builds into smaller dpods if possible. Sometimes, Steam processes smaller uploads faster than one large file. Finally, try uploading during off-peak hours when Steam servers are less busy. Follow these steps will improve upload speed and reduce delays in publishing your game. That's how to fix extremely slow Steamworks upload speeds.